How to manage storage and cache in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and here you will see the Clear Cache section. Tap on it to access two important options: Element Resources and Reset. The Element Resources section contains downloaded filter, templates, and other editing resources that may take up space. Tap the Clear button to remove these unnecessary files and remove temporary data stored by the app, which helps improve performance and prevent lags and crashes. Managing storage and cache regularly ensures that Meitu runs faster, stays responsive, and provides a smoother photo editing experience. Now you know how to manage storage and cache in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.